Alright YouTube, 116 Falconer. Today we're going to change out the headlight assembly, driver's side, on a 2012 Chevy Silverado. Got this one from Amazon. Came to like 95 bucks, 96 bucks with tax. It has your wiring harness, everything in there. It appears we got to take the grill out so we can get that light in there. So to do that, we just got to pull these pins here. 116 Falconer Jr. is trying to hide from the camera. You just, here, get one of these out here, Holden. Just get a screwdriver in there, work them up, bam. So we'll go around, get this cowling off here, and once we have this off, we'll be back. There's that one, this one, this one, this one, so it shouldn't be too hard. We'll be back. Alright, so we got that cowling off, or whatever the hell we want to call it. Now we have 4 10mm bolts. Got one there, the one there that Junior's working on, and then 2 more on the other side there. It's no big deal. It's not rocket science. And then the bottom looks like they're just spring clips holding it in there. Right here. So I think we just squeeze them up. They should come up. We'll see. We'll be back. Alright, so we got the grill off, and all it is, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these clips. Just get a pair of pliers, squeeze down here and here, and it'll just pull right out of the slots. I'll show you. Let's see. These slots here, easy peasy, freaking 2-minute job. So now we're ready to get this freaking headlight out. This is going to be an easy job. Wow, amazing. All right, 10mm. Let me set the camera up here. I mean, that should be all there is. We got to disconnect the wire harness. Well, we'll get that once we get the light pulled out. Stand over to the side so the camera can see.
This is Shade Tree Mechanics. I would get my impact out and just zip them out, but my boy needs the exercise, so I'm having him do it manually. Old school. It's hard to do knuckle busting when you use an impact. It's coming. He's working on it. He's doing his best. We'll give him a participation trophy. That's what happens when you hit a deer, anyways. So. No, when a deer hits you. No, when you hit a deer. No, when a deer hits you. Alright, so we pull that out. We just disconnect it. Just pop that wiring harness off there. Let's get an action shot. You got it? Why don't you look at the new light? See how it comes off. Hold it. What? Look at the new light. See how it comes off. Oh, it has a new light in front of me. It's right there. Oh, I see how it comes off there. You gotta push that little tab down. Use a screwdriver. Push it down. Secret. I don't think that's the key here. But cut that off. Don't lose that. What could be going on here? Maybe we should look at the new light here. Let's go look at it while he's screwing around with that. Let's see it. Okay, the new light. So it just pulls right straight out. Man, when 116 Falcon, I thought there was some sort of secret Da Vinci code to get this out of there. But unfortunately, hold and pull there. There you go. There you go, sport. Do it yourself next time. Look at it. Don't hit a deer next time. All right, so now let's look at the stock wiring harness, because people say, don't look at it. People say that the aftermarket wire harness isn't good. Hey, does your aftermarket wire harness have this black tape on right here? No, it has black tape all on here. No, look at that, it's freaking better. All right, we're gonna hook this one up as is. Because of new lights, or new bulbs, everything. New bulbs and everything. Now here he goes, he's gonna do it. He's gonna hook it up. You too. Just, oh, look at, oh my God. You got it the right direction? Oh my God. I don't know if it's gonna go on there any further. I think it's good. Well, put your lock in there, let's see. Get the goddamn thing out of my face, okay? He's going for his 10th strike. Oh my God, yeah, perfect. Oh my God! Now make sure you get your little tits in the holes over there. It's not going. It's not going, Dad. Should I take this stuff off there now? I'd wait. Well, get it off here because it'll be stuck. Well, that's what I asked. I don't know if that needs to come off. Oh, wait a minute. That needs to come off there. Alright, we found a bolt that needs to come out right there. Because in this new one, well, how the hell is it? So you're going to have to get that one tightened up in there somehow. So you're going to have to go through the fender well. Now there's a curveball I didn't see coming. So this will just pull out. Okay, slide that in. Put that over there. Let's see, just put that in there. I need to slide that in between the Need to slide that in there. Right? Bracket. Which looks like my bracket's a bit bent, so my light is behind it. Doing it like the way it should. Well, what'd you hit a deer for? Yeah. Yeah, you can get it from right here. Oh, you can. Okay, yeah. See, there's enough room here to get said 10mm bolt right there. Of course, that may just be because of the deer strike. There's an extension right in the box here. Well, if you look at the other side, it's exactly the same. So. Well, that's because it's a freaking piece of crap Chevy. So, all right, get these ones in. Come on. Got a freaking day here. Screwing on with your crap. Lots of po-po, they're coming for me. You hear it, man. I told you. I didn't know that about the basement. In the back of my truck. Hey, did you see today, speaking of, well, I always speak of that, but the UK's banning surgeries for smokers and obese people? No, they always try that crap. Fucking socialized medicine. Holden, you're right in a freaking way, man. Well, I'm working, Dad, okay? Sorry, I'm trying to make a freaking porno over there. You know, before you go tightening everything up, let's make sure the lights work. I'm not tightening it way down now first, though. That'd be smarter to do. So turn my lights on. I don't know how to turn them on. Look at this knob, and it lights on. Yep, there you go. Alright, yep. Wait, what the fuck are you doing there? Alright. So that's high beam? Yeah. Well, the other side looks a lot brighter. Oh well. Alright, they're all working, so. Yep. Alright, shut them off. Let's go. Let's get the shit done. Blinker working? Oh yeah. Hot rod blinker. Shut your lights off. knock the camera over just a minute here. Just get finished up here, boy. Not for the freaking YouTube thing. Well, how else am I supposed to do it? Except for all the world to see. It's done to himself in the house. Yeah. I would have got it done eventually. Why don't you just leave the extension on, moron? Christ. Oh. Alright, now he's going to throw that bumper back on, and you'll see how easy it is. He's just realigning the things, whatever the hell they're called there. They're all in? Yeah. Now he's going to put the top bolts in, the four 10 millimeters. I got to do that. I got to peel the plastic off. Throw that in the recycle bin along with all these plastic pins up there. They're on top of the recycle